Rahul, we have already gone ahead and we have proved, we have exchanged our vaccine samples with the NIV because we don't have access to international strains, being a private manufacturer and a private developer. So the strains from the UK, from Brazil, and from South Africa have been sent to the NIV Pune and are, including the double mutant of India, have all been neutralized by Covaxin. So this is something that Covaxin has proven with studies and also shown that it can neutralize effectively all the different mutants as of now.
What is the status of your trials for children? You were attempting to get the vaccine out for children. There were trials going on. What's the status of those trials? What are the initial results so far? By when can children and how young will they be if they're able to have access to the Bharat Biotech vaccine?
There was no vaccine trials done on children, Rahul, because the age group of children had to be 2 and under 18 or under 12. I think there are subgroups again in that. So this group of 2 to 12 has not been studied so far. We have received a go-ahead from the SEC and the National Regulatory Authority, which is the Drug Controller General of India, to conduct the children's studies starting next month, Rahul. This is a safety study because the immunogenicity and the efficacy of the vaccine, of Covaxin, has been proven already in a very large
so if you start your safety study at the beginning of next month, how long will it be if the trial results show your vaccine is efficacious that children above 12 will get vaccinated?
It is only to show safety at this point of time because the efficacy and the immunogenicity has already been shown.
So how long will that process take?
Rahul, I think if all goes well and if the second wave doesn't get in between us and the children, and also this is volunteerism, there is no way I can reach out to anybody out there and say, hey, please send your child across to be a volunteer. It has to come from the family or from the parents because children are children. So we know the sensitivity in that issue, but having conducted pediatric trials to the tune of more than 500,000 babies and infants across 20 countries in the world, we know that this is doable, Rahul, and we think that our dosage is only 28 days apart. So we look at a timeline of 60 to 90 days maximum. Hopefully within that time frame, we hope to have good data, safety data published for children, submitted to the Drug Controller General first.
June, July, August, you do your trials. Post-August, kids above 12 will get vaccinated. Is that what you're saying?
Rahul, we are a regulated industry and I do not have the authority to send my batches out. It is essentially the same product that is sitting in my cold room right now that I could dispense, but I am not authorized to do so against the law, and it is the permission that is required for us to dispatch for that age group of the population, which has to be studied and proven and obviously vetted by the National Regulatory Authority to be acceptable as data before it is deployed into children.